Hello! Today's video is gonna be about how I do my fake freckles. I love the look of freckles, I always have, but I don't naturally produce any. My skin doesn't have freckles, maybe like a few in the summer, but not really like freckles. And I just love that look. A couple of years ago I started to draw them on with just like kohl pencil or an eyebrow pencil and some brown liquid liner in between. Didn't look very natural. Then later on I used water-based face paint to get a lot of freckles, and I did it with like a textured sponge like this, and I just like dab. But because it was water-based face paint, it wasn't very waterproof, and I live in the Netherlands and it rains a lot here, so it wasn't very practical either. And also in summer, if you get like sweaty, wasn't practical. Recently I figured out a way to get freckles that look quite natural, I think so, but also stay on like pretty much a whole day, and you could even touch your face and shit. And that is with a brow tattoo stuff. Let me explain, because this is just a Dutch brand, very cheap, very cruelty free, but the idea of this product is that it's like a peel off eyebrow gel. So you put it on and you leave it on there, and then you peel it off, and then you have you have some sort of like semi-permanent eyebrow. I didn't buy this for eyebrows, I bought it for freckles. And I did this in summer and I left it on, and then I would like peel them off, and it left some freckles, but it wasn't very like in your face. It was very subtle but quite natural, but I don't like subtle. I think we know that by now. Recently I saw there's like this product which is called like freckle, I don't know, it's specifically for fake freckles, and it's kind of like a similar product. And I don't remember who I saw this. I just watched a random tutorial and someone just dabbed that on their face and dabbed with their finger, and then it was everywhere. And I looked up that product, the freckle product, and it was quite expensive. But then I remembered I had this, and it seemed kind of like a similar kind of shit, and this is only a few euros. So it's a gel and it dries up quite quickly, so you gotta be quite fast. But what I do is I dab some dots on, and then with my finger I do like dab. Let me show you. It's like a gel, and then just a few close together so it fits on like one finger, and then I do like this. And that's a few, but then I do it a bunch of times. Quite fast. The color of this product is super dark. There's also was like a blonde one. But since you kind of smudge it in a way, it gets a little less dark. But I like the quite hardcore, like freckle look. And you want to do like the lot of it like here, and then sometimes I even go like down almost to my lip, but the majority of them should be like around the nose. And I also go up a bit, almost into the eyebrow, but like I shouldn't just smudge my eyebrow. And recently I also did like a look that was only on my nose, which was also quite cute. But today we want to get a lot of freckles. Then your finger looks like a poop, but you can just wipe that off with like makeup wipes. Now this product is made to stain, but since you kind of like it's not a peel off anymore, and like you can touch your face without it like transferring. So this is also gonna be perfect for summer, and I love freckles in summer. It'll last the whole day, and I think it's quite waterproof, just not makeup wipe proof. Let me just put on some highlights. So yeah, that's how I do my freckles. If people want to know what I specifically use, it's the eyebrow gel from Kruidvat, the Dutch brand. But I'm sure other brands have like something like this as well. So yeah, super easy, super quick, and it lasts pretty long. So yay! So thank you for watching. Thank you for all the people with natural freckles for having them and showing them how beautiful they are. I hope I don't offend anyone by faking them. I'm just very envious, and I don't think that's a bad thing. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, or if you have any other ideas to get like some cute freckles. I've tried them with henna as well once, by the way, but they didn't really show up. Thank you for watching.